How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Step 1. Making the daisy. First we need for white edge pieces around the yellow center. An edge piece always has two colored tiles. Twist the sides to connect the white edges to the yellow center. If the piece is the wrong way around, try this move. The right face turns anti-clockwise. The up face turns clockwise, and the front face turns anti-clockwise. In the next step, we use the daisy to make the white cross.
Alright, so this is probably one of the best kept secrets for solving the Rubik's Cube. I almost considered not sharing this with you guys because it kind of takes the fun out of it, but I figured, I don't know, maybe you could use it to like get a date or impress your friends or something. So anyways, here goes. You can solve any Rubik's Cube starting in any position using just two moves, and you're just going to repeat these moves over and over again. You're going to turn the left side counterclockwise, and then you're going to turn the top clockwise. So it looks like this. And you're just going to keep on repeating this sequence over and over again, and eventually the cube will start to sort of solve itself. You just keep going. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others. Pretty simple.
How to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. So firstly, Rubik's Cube notation. If you see a letter on its own, it means turn that side 90 degrees clockwise. So if you see an F, for instance, it means turn the front face 90 degrees clockwise. If you see a letter followed by an apostrophe, it means turn that side 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So L prime would be like this, for instance. So the goal of step 1 is to get a daisy on top like this. This step's pretty intuitive. Just make sure you keep the yellow center facing the top at all times. And with a bit of time and effort, you'll get the daisy. Next, what you want to do is match the front two colors like this, and then do an F2. 2 means turn that side twice. So this is already matched, so 1, 2, that's matched. And you keep doing that pretty much, and you'll have a cross solved at the bottom like this. Next step is to get the whole first layer done. So in order to do that, you find a white corner piece on the bottom layer, say this one, and place it between its correct centers. So this has orange and green on it. This is orange, this is green. So this would be fine, this would be fine, even this would be fine. For the righty version, you put the white sticker facing towards you, and you do this algorithm. D prime, R prime, D, R. If it's positioned like this, make sure the white stick is facing towards you and do the lefty version. If it's facing the bottom though, then you have to do this algorithm. Now turn the cube upside down. We're going to try solve the first 2 layers now. First step is to find a non-yellow edge piece on the top layer like this one. And then match the front 2 colors just like step 2, like this. Figure out if this has to go left or right. Just see the top is red, this left side is red like here. And that means we do the lefty algorithm, which goes like this. That's solved. Here's another one. I'm just going to move it over here, and orange, orange. I have to do the righty version now, which goes like this. And that's solved. So now the goal is to get a cross on top. So if you get a dot, just do this algorithm, and then you'll get a line. Make sure the line's horizontal. Do this algorithm again. And if you get the L, make sure it's on the top left. Do it again, and you'll get a cross on top. If there are 0 yellows on top, position 1 yellow sticker facing the left and do this algorithm. If there's 1 sticker facing the top, put it on the bottom left and do the algorithm again. If there are 2 yellows on top, get a side sticker and have the sticker facing towards you, like this. And you'll get back to this case. Next, we'll solve all of the corners. So in order to do that, try to solve 2 corners first. So this is solved, this is solved. Chuck them in the back like these are tail lights, and then perform this algorithm. And with another turn, all the corners will be solved. And for the last step, position the bar at the back and perform this algorithm. If you have no bar, then just do the algorithm anyway. And you should have a solved cube. I hope that was useful. Be sure to like and follow for more epic Rubik's content.